This gesture-sensing stunt remote control car will give your kids a childlike, fashionable, special driving experience. Bionic spines designed in this car make it more fun and convenient. Twist transform as you control. Protect the car from the collision crash drop for a longer lifespan. This car has two modes of controlling. One mode is using the remote controller to keep the car driving as you want. The other modes is putting the watch on your hand and control the stunt car by changing your hand gesture. The four wheels ride and transformable body system makes the car more versatile and offers solid power torque to go on any surface conveniently. It can make you sense the delight of drift and live the enjoyment of the racing car. As you change your motion, and easily mix forward, backward, left/right turn, flip drive and high body replacement. Just modify your gesture or one click on the adjustment switch on the remote controller. The racing vehicle toy will become an off-road vehicle from a flat shape. 2.4 GHz radio system with anti-jamming capability allows to race at the same time on the same track. 100-meter control distance, racing freely. Awesome and stylish remote control Roy, stunning light and sound, twisting the tiger whistle, provide you the adventure of actual car sound. The powerful 7.4 volts 1300 mAh battery helps the car reach a longer working time up to 40 minutes. Perfectly satisfy your playing needs. You can get the gesture sensing stunt remote control car through the link in the description below. This remote control car let your child's childhood beyond a delight. Make your life more entertaining. Bring amusing to you and your loved ones. That is all. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video.